Hi everyone. I would like to welcome you to my channel Lean Startup before moving on to today's topics. In this video, we will cover the basics of business planning and relevant business models in agile internet startups. We'll explore how to use agile methodology to define a company's strategy, goals, and actions to achieve those goals. Additionally, we'll discuss popular business models for internet startups, such as freemium, subscription, advertising, and e-commerce. It's crucial to understand the importance of consistency between business planning and business models in starting up an internet company. Having a clear strategy and choosing a business model that aligns with that strategy is key to ensuring long-term success. Get ready to learn how to plan and launch a successful internet startup using agile methodology. Business planning is the process of defining an internet company's strategy, goals, and actions to achieve those goals. Agile methodology is a flexible approach to project management that values collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptability. When using agile methodology for business planning, the focus is on creating a minimum viable product, MVP, and iteratively improving upon it based on customer feedback. Relevant business models for internet startups include 1. Freemium, offering a basic product for free with the option to upgrade to a premium version for a fee. 2. Subscription, charging a recurring fee for access to a product or service. 3. Advertising, generating revenue through ads displayed on a website or app. 4. E-commerce, selling products or services directly to customers online. The business model chosen will depend on the company's goals and objectives. For example, if the goal is to acquire a large user base, the freemium model may be most suitable. If the goal is to generate recurring revenue, the subscription model may be a better choice. In connecting business planning and business models, it's important to consider how the chosen model will support the company's goals and strategy. The business planning process should outline the desired outcomes, target market, and unique value proposition. The chosen business model should align with these elements and provide a clear path to achieving the desired financial outcomes. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this discussion and are interested in learning more about lean startups, consider subscribing to my channel, Lean Startup. We cover a wide range of topics, from business planning and strategy to marketing and growth, to help entrepreneurs turn their ideas into successful ventures.